Okay, so now that we have our EC2 instance created, let's connect to it. There are different ways you can connect to your EC2 instance, and it depends on the laptop you're using. That is the operating system of the laptop you're using, which means if you're using a Windows laptop, the way you connect will be different from the way you connect if you were using a MacBook or a Linux. Mac and Linux are quite similar. So if you know how to use one, the other one should be fairly easy for you. Here I have a Mac, so I can decide to connect from my laptop. But actually, to make your life easier to follow me through in this exercise, I'm just going to go and connect directly from the website. Later on in the training, I'll take you through the step of how to connect from your MacBook or from Windows. So since I'm using Mac, I might show you how to connect from Mac and also how to connect from the website. So let's start with the website. On the website, I just click on that and come here, you see connect. Just click connect. And you have to make sure that it says EC2 instance connect. It has the IP address, it has a username, EC2-user. So click connect. So you can see I'm now inside my EC2 instance running Amazon Linux operating system. At this point, you need to be able to use Linux. If you're not able to use Linux, you won't be able to do what I'm going to do next. But you can always copy and paste and the instructions should work for you. So now that I'm on Mac, let me show you how to connect from Mac as well. This will be a series of steps. First, I need to come to my shell. This is my Mac shell or my Mac terminal. I need to go to where the key is stored. Okay, remember that key we downloaded earlier? I need to know where it's stored. And of course, usually that should be stored on my download. So let me just create a new terminal. And I'm going to go to my download. And the key was secure website. You see, that's the key, securewebsite.pem. Let me make this bigger. So we have that securewebsite.pem. But because I'm using Mac, I need to change the permission first. I need to change the permission, chmod 600. And I'll find a location, which is pretty much downloads. Okay, I can do it like that. Or since I'm already here inside download, I can do chmod up to you. I just did it 2 times. You just need to make sure that you are able to find the file. So now that I changed the permission of the file, I'll run my SSH client, SSH put -i, give it the key that you want to use, put the username of that Linux, Amazon Linux, which is always EC2-user, except to change it. If you don't change it, the username is always EC2-user, and I need the IP address. So I need to come here, and the IP address is right here. I can copy from here. And paste it there. I need to say yes, and I am inside the EC2 instance running Amazon Linux. Now, where I continue the configuration from is a matter of preference. I can decide to do it from my laptop directly, or I can go back here and work from here. It doesn't matter. I'm literally interacting with the same EC2 instance. It doesn't matter where I connect from. Again, remember, if you're using Windows, you need to install PuTTY, and then you will use a key that you downloaded. Okay, so now we have been able to connect to our EC2 instance. Next step is to configure our EC2 instance for our website.